Apple is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated iPhone 14 series in just a couple of months. The new 2022 iPhones have been spotted in various rumors and leaks, and now the latest report hints that its pricing might see one of the more drastic changes. Hey guys, we are back again with some latest Apple news, and this time it's a good news about the iPhone 14 series, but especially the Pro models. Only Ming Cha Kyo posted their latest analysis of the Apple supply chain situation. According to the report, the A16 processor will be exclusive for the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max phones, which is a new info on its own. The news is Apple will boost the proportion of flagship to non-flagship chips to 60. This means the company expects to sell more iPhone 14 Pro units and will adapt its marketing strategies in such direction, while the iPhone 14 Duo is likely to become a second priority thanks to the increased proportion. Component suppliers are also expected to record yearly growth. Sony, Largan, and LG Innotek are all likely to post 20-30 more revenue compared with last year's orders. Co also mentioned that Sony, the manufacturer, sensors, and LG Innotek, the color correction matrix manufacturer, products will be seen only in iPhone 14 Pro devices, meaning the iPhone 14 is not getting the promised camera update. According to a Bloomberg report, one of the material suppliers for Apple's primary chip maker TSMC has warned that there might be major rise in price for the iPhones. The supplier stated that it has already had to implement various hikes and materials costs. This warning is from Japanese chemical supplier Shodenko KKK, which added that it expects the price to rise even further as it grapples with a barrage of economic challenges confronting the $550 billion semiconductor industry. The report adds that there have already been at least around a dozen of hikes already within this year. The primary reason for this was the impacts of the coronavirus on the supply chain. Apart from this, the Russian invasion into the Ukraine and even the fall of the end played a part in these price hikes. In an interview, the CFO of the supplier warned that the problem might not improve until next year. Chief Financial Officer Heikki Zambia stated that the company has been forced to drastically increase the cost it passes on to customers. Now the supplier is asking for twice the amount it had previously estimated, although it remains to be seen how these raw materials cost rise impacts the overall pricing for the upcoming iPhone 14 series. So what do you think about this new leak, and what would be a good option, either to buy the iPhone 14 or to invest in Apple shares? Let me know it down in the comments section. See you the next time. Peace out, you.